Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money from Fiverr. Fiverr is a great platform for freelancers to make money online. You can offer a variety of services on Fiverr, from writing and editing to graphic design and web development. How to make money on Fiverr. There are a few things you need to do to make money on Fiverr. Find a niche. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Once you know what you want to offer, you can start to narrow down your niche. For example, if you're good at writing, you could offer services like writing blog posts, press releases, or website content. Create a gig. Once you know your niche, you need to create a gig. Your gig should be clear, concise, and informative. It should include a description of your services, your prices, and any relevant samples of your work. Promote your gig. Once you've created your gig, you need to promote it. You can do this by sharing it on social media, submitting it to relevant directories, and bidding on projects. Provide excellent customer service. Once you start getting orders, it's important to provide excellent customer service. This means being responsive to your clients, meeting their deadlines, and delivering high-quality work. Tips for making money on Fiverr. Here are a few tips for making money on Fiverr. Offer high-quality work. This is the most important tip. If you want to make money on Fiverr, you need to offer high-quality work. This means meeting your clients' expectations and delivering work that is error-free. Be responsive to your clients. When you're working with clients on Fiverr, it's important to be responsive to their needs. This means answering their questions promptly and working with them to make sure they're happy with the final product. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful business on Fiverr. Don't expect to start making a lot of money overnight. Just keep working hard, providing excellent customer service, and offering high-quality work, and you'll eventually start to see results. Making money from Fiverr is a great way to earn a side income or even a full-time living. If you have skills that you can offer, Fiverr is a great platform to start making money online. Just remember to offer high-quality work, be responsive to your clients, and be patient. With hard work and dedication, you can be successful on Fiverr. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.